everyone, it's Chriso. What I'm doing now is another bathroom. I'm starting another bathroom. It's Thursday morning. I've just started with my strip drain. What I'm doing, like my shower or the screen is coming out to that line, but I want to be tilting my mud down into the drain either side, so I've equaled the distance either side from the screen and the same distance there to there. I'll be making it a little bit bigger so I've got room for play. So what I'm doing, that's level. I've got the strip drain nice and level. That's going to be my height. What I'm doing is I'm screeding it, and I'm going to be waterproofing on top of my screed, which I reckon is the way to go these days. There's no power on site at the moment, so the noise you hear is the generator. We've got a generator hooked up. I want slope down into my strip drain there, so I'll just take a bit out of there. See, notice how I've put down a slurry of glue. If there's any dust on this floor, which it was vacuumed and mopped by the owner, but then I've caused a bit of dust in the meantime. So my slurry takes that up because I sprinkle water out first. Right, so that'll nicely fit there, like that, like so. I've got a nice bit of slope there for when the water soaks through the grout line onto the waterproof and runs into the strip drain. That's nice there. I could go down just a little. I absolutely love these strip drains. Now I'll show you how I get my height. I've got my height there to the strip drain, right? I want to be about 15 mil higher out here. I'm going to put my water stop in at 1200. It's 600 by 300 floor tile, so I want to come out a full tile. Where's my tape? I want to be 1200 out from the strip drain. That's the 1200 level. that's where my fall is going to be starting. The screen will be probably about 1 metre. Standalone bath is going in there, toilet there. Now I want to be 15 mil I want to have 15 mil fall, right? So what I do, you always put down neat cement or glue as a slurry, everyone. You must. Don't think that your mud is going to stick to the floor. Right, that's my finished floor height. That strip drain there is my finished floor height. That can go down a little. Right, what's 5 mil out here? Okay, that's about 6 mil. Use 2 or so. Where's another one? Okay, well that's dead level. I would like to come up a little bit and give it a little bit more fall. This will eventually be a, well, they're allowing, the owners are allowing for when in their twilight years. And they may find it a little bit harder to shower and all that jazz. Okay, that is heaps. I reckon that's a bit too much. Okay, so that tile is 10 mil. I'll have glue on top of that. That'll be sitting flush, so I will have probably about 13 mil fall, 14 mil fall in 1200. So that's cool. So now that there is the height that I screed to. Like that. So now I go right around my room using that tile and putting in my pads. So we'll put one there, one there, one there, one in the middle, another one there. I'll get my height when I set up my laser level. I'll show you in a minute. And I'll put another pad in the middle here too. One there, one there, one there, and we're cooking with gas, people. Oopsie. I'll come back to you in a sec. I've got to find something. Oh, there might be something out here. That piece of timber will do. Now I go around my room That's a bit shitty. Sharpen your pencil, Chriso. Whew. I was on rough concrete yesterday. Okay, that's my mark. See that? That's my finished floor height. Beauty boy. It's a lot more accurate than using your levels, or using your level all the time. It's very easy to be 2 mil out and you don't realise it, and you can be 2 mil up and then you're going around and you're 2 mil down. Well, you're 4 mil out before you even realise it. Bit more mud. This is the quickest and easiest and you bang on every time. Come up just a smidgy ditch. Level my pad up and we're bang on. Okay, I've got to mix up a little bit more mud. Well, a fair bit more. Always keeping your tile, move out of the way. Bang on. Okay, I'll put another one there and then I can go right around my outside, come across there and then start working on my strip drain. So that's cool. Right, I'll mix up some more mud and I'll come back to you. See you soon.